Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for inspiring garden decor and creative outdoor craft ideas. Today we are sharing 20 genius craft ideas to reuse old wood branches and twigs to turn ordinary yard waste into unique garden decorations. You will be amazed at how simple fallen branches can completely transform your outdoor living space with charming rustic character. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to drop a comment below with your favorite idea. Transforming thick fallen branches into a sturdy garden trellis gives your climbing vines a beautiful natural structure to climb. Simply lash the sturdier branches together using natural jute twine or wire in a crisscross diamond lattice pattern. Position the finished trellis against your garden fence or wall to support flowering sweet peas or clematis. This eco-friendly craft adds organic texture, while keeping your climbing plants organized and healthy all season long. Define your flower beds by weaving flexible twigs between upright wooden stakes driven into the ground. This traditional wattle fencing technique creates a charming rustic barrier that holds mulch neatly inside your garden beds. You can adjust the height and length easily depending on the amount of branch material you have available. It serves as an eye-catching visual boundary that seamlessly blends with the natural landscape of your yard. Crafting a mini fairy house out of slender twigs brings a magical touch of fantasy right into your garden beds. Glue or tie small twigs together to form tiny walls, miniature roofs, and adorable little decorative doors. Place this whimsical creation nestled near a garden fence, surrounded by lush moss and delicate wildflowers. Children and adults alike will love discovering this enchanted handmade accent tucked away in your greenery. Suspending dry twigs along a sturdy main branch creates a soothing, rustic wind chime for your patio or yard. Attach small copper bells, sea glass, or metal charms between the twigs to enhance the gentle rustling sound when breezes blow. Hang the assembled chime under the eaves near your home facade where it can catch light wind and sunlight. It is a peaceful, auditory craft project that repurposes yard debris into charming outdoor background music. Give your garden birds a cozy sanctuary by covering a basic wooden birdhouse frame with small twig pieces. Arranging slender twigs vertically or in a herringbone pattern creates an authentic, forest-inspired shelter. Mount the birdhouse securely onto a garden fence post where feathered visitors can safely nest. This clever upcycling project protects local wildlife while adding rustic country charm to your garden walls. Constructing a tall entry archway out of thick, curved tree branches makes a dramatic focal point for your walkway. Secure the heavy branch post firmly into the ground and interweave smaller flexible twigs overhead to form an inviting canopy. Set the arch near your partial home facade to frame your garden path with natural architectural elegance. It creates a majestic gateway that invites guests into your backyard oasis while highlighting climbing flora. A classic, circular, or star-shaped twig wreath provides a timeless piece of natural decor for outdoor walls or fences. Bend flexible willow or birch twigs into a thick ring, binding them tightly with florist wire for stability. Hang your finished wreath against a garden wall or near your home facade, accenting it with dried berries or moss. This versatile craft can be easily updated seasonally with fresh greenery or colorful garden blooms. Building a rustic ladder out of medium-sized straight branches offers a stylish multi-tiered plant display unit. Fasten straight side poles and cross-rung branches securely with sturdy screws and natural cordage for added support. Lean the branch ladder safely against your home facade or garden wall to hold small potted herbs and trailing ivy. It maximizes vertical gardening space while displaying your favorite container plants in a rustic frame. Never lose track of your vegetable crops or herb varieties by crafting custom plant markers from sliced twigs and branches. Whittle a flat side onto smooth branch sections and write plant names using an outdoor waterproof marker or burning tool. Push these natural stakes directly into your garden beds near a low garden fence for easy plant identification. They offer an eco-friendly and stylish alternative to bright plastic plant tags that clutter your garden beds. Upgrade a simple garden entrance by assembling a wooden gate frame filled with artistic branch lattice designs. Arrange irregular branch shapes in a fan or sunburst pattern inside the frame to create a unique piece of functional art. Attach the finished branch gate to your garden wall or fence post using heavy-duty outdoor iron hinges. It adds instant rustic personality and old-world charm to your yard while securely enclosing your sanctuary. Illuminate your outdoor evenings by wrapping small twig lattices around glass mason jars or solar lantern bodies. Secure the twigs around the exterior glass with twine, allowing glow from the candle or LED bulb to flicker through. Hang these warm lanterns along a garden fence or place them on low walls near your home facade. The warm light casts intricate twig shadows across your garden surfaces, creating a cozy evening atmosphere. Assemble 5 or 6 equal-length branches to craft a bold geometric star sculpture for blank outdoor walls. Fasten the overlapping branch joints tightly using copper wire or rustic jute string for a clean design. Mount the prominent twig star onto your garden wall or partial home facade to fill large empty vertical spaces. This simple DIY project brings striking visual interest and sculptural texture to plain exterior surfaces. Reflection mirrors expand small outdoor areas, and framing one with natural twigs creates a woodland look. Glue layers of overlapping twigs around a weather-resistant mirror frame, letting the rough ends extend outward naturally. Hang the twig-framed mirror securely against a garden fence to reflect sunlight and greenery back into your yard. It tricks the eye into seeing more garden space while acting as a striking rustic focal point outdoors. Treat local backyard birds to a feast by building an open tray feeder using thick branch cross-sections and twig railings. Construct a flat wooden base with small twig barriers around the edges to hold seed mixes securely inside. Mount the feeder platform high on a garden fence post near your home facade for easy wildlife viewing from windows. It provides essential food for feathered friends while bringing lively nature right up to your garden wall. Interweaving flexible twigs and vines into large hollow spheres creates captivating sculptural ornaments for lawn beds. Shape the branches into interlocking circles until a sturdy, airy ball form takes shape without needing adhesives. Nestled directly on the lawn near a garden wall or home facade, these organic orbs add subtle artistic elegance. They look particularly mesmerizing when wrapped with fairy lights or covered in morning dew during sunrise. Tapered branch obelisks provide excellent tall support for heavy flowering vines like morning glories and clematis. Bind 4 long sturdy branches together at the top and weave smaller cross twigs horizontally up all 4 sides. Place the obelisk tower in flower beds alongside a garden fence to guide tall climbing plants upward neatly. Its towering architectural silhouette adds height, structure, and rustic charm to seasonal flower gardens. Twisting thin, pliable branches into a rising spiral sculpture brings dynamic artistic movement into outdoor spaces. Anchor central support stakes into the ground and wrap flexible twigs upward in a smooth, continuous spiral loop. Position this eye-catching sculpture close to a home facade or garden wall where sunlight emphasizes its unique shape. It serves as a creative conversation piece that turns simple fallen garden debris into sophisticated yard art. Support essential pollinators by building a beneficial insect shelter filled with bundled twigs, hollow stems, and wood slices. Stack short branch pieces tightly inside a wooden frame mounted securely to create nesting spots for solitary bees. Position the completed bug hotel against the sunny garden wall or fence protected from heavy driving rainfall. It boosts your garden ecosystem while functioning as an educational and visually intriguing outdoor feature. Create a dramatic focal point by radiating twigs of varying lengths outward from a central wooden core. Secure each twig tightly with outdoor glue or wire, creating an expansive circular sunburst wall sculpture. Mount this striking handmade artwork prominently on an exterior home facade or solid garden wall. The dramatic sunburst pattern catches natural sunlight beautifully and adds a handcrafted feel to plain siding. Transform standard plastic or wooden flower boxes by cladding their exteriors with aligned vertical twig segments. Glue or nail straight branch pieces side by side to completely cover the planter's outer walls in natural bark texture. Set the finished twig planter box on a windowsill against your home facade or atop a garden fence wall. Please leave a comment sharing your favorite twig craft, like and share this video, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more creative garden ideas. Goodbye and happy crafting!